speaking on your debate. I can't wait to see you speak.
No, I'll still.
You speak to me every day. Why is that different?
No, I just want to hear you talk. I like to hear you talk. I enjoy talking to you. So I want to hear you talk.
The only person not speaking.
I can't ask anybody. I'll wait till the day.
So many times whenever we come on that, okay, we just started the meeting and the next is like, honestly, I feel like we are ranting. I mean, I have something I want to do. Like, do we look like fools?
You see when I keep saying disrespect?
Like, it's like, remember, I'm like, we were literally, see, for the first time, I don't want to say much about my budget tax, but like, for the first time, we discovered something beautiful because we could sit and talk for just 30 minutes. Not like I say, like, you have all day. We've been trying to do it since yesterday, even the day they gave the task. And it was like, it was impossible. And we sat for 30 minutes and we're able to literally like round up everything. It's now like, okay, now tomorrow, let's practice. And you sit there and people that have been actively like, imagine say, person never bring even 1 point. And you come up and somebody, like people that have brought massive points.
See different perspectives.
Yes, and you come up and say, like, to you feel like people are just ranting. Like, is it that, were you not listening to the points?
In my full life, have I ever like been stressed to have fun like this
Like,
in my life?
No, but when fun is stress, like I mean, when stress is fun.
I feel like when we meet this evening, I feel like we're not respecting the authority of the HOH enough.